Hello, my name is Peyton, and I am going to make a video here about a program, a piece of software called Cliqly. And I recently started on their trial campaign, and so I'm going to do a case study here and see how much money can actually be generated with Cliqly, how easy it is to use, and just kind of track my day to day on Clickly for the next 30 days to see where we get to. So far, I've done the first day setup and then emails, and then I've done the second day, and we are currently at $24 for the first 2 days of emails, and more may come in before the end of the day today and beginning of the day tomorrow when I'll send out the next batch of emails. Um, this is how the commission page looks. And then we'll jump over here into actual Clickly, and I can give you a brief tour of the members area. You can see up here at the top the availability of how much you could mail out, how many users are available to mail to. This is a list of people who have opened emails for me. When you start this program, if you go through the trial offer, this is actually starts with 5,000 people who have already opened emails that they give to you for free to get started. And then these are your credits that you can use in the system. It's 1 credit per email, but you're given enough credits to do your mailings for the trial. Um, to mail out to the list of openers, you go to one, and it's as simple as going down here, and these are auto populated. You click this here, go to the next step. It brings up the emails that are already written for you, which is nice. You choose the email you want to go to, and then all you have to do is type in your name right there, and they're ready to go. And you press the send button and confirm it, and that's your first batch of 5,000 emails that would be sent out. You can see here that I've sent out, quite 15 batches so far, and it shows you your opens, your email counts, which email it was that people are opening, and then once you do your first 75,000 emails when you're on this trial, uh, it's all free for that. You can go over here and you do 40,000 emails on this next part, and this is to build new subscribers onto the list. And they give you credits to do 40,000 emails. The reason that they're giving credits is best explained by Bobby, the person who owns Clickly. And if you want to see more about that and why this is all taking place, why you can get it for free and you can start making money too, go ahead and go to the link in the description, and everything will be put out for you there. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any of the rest of this case study, make sure you hit that subscribe button and get on the list so that you get notified by hitting that notification bell. And if you liked the content of this video, hit the like button and help other people see it. And if you have people who might also be interested in this, go ahead and share the video, and let's make sure that as many people can see this opportunity as possible, because I really believe Clickly is the answer.